In difficult times, facing layoffs or the struggle to find work can feel like standing at a crossroads, unsure of the path ahead. This moment, though difficult, is filled with hope. Hope for a better future, a chance to rebuild, and to reimagine what's possible. You're not alone. At Empress, we're building a community ready to embrace you with open arms, offering support, guidance, and the resources needed to define a new path. It's a place that values your journey, celebrates your resilience, and nurtures your aspirations. We invite you to take a moment to stop, breathe, and to envision your future with confidence. Imagine your untapped potential, your endless possibility, and your story not at its end, but at a new beginning. Together, let's build a new path, sharing our stories, our struggles, and our success, working together to build a future that works for everyone. We believe in more. We believe in you. Empress, imagine more.